Oregon dealers. Make these licensing mistakes and your license gets rejected immediately. If you want to start a car dealership in Oregon, you need a $50,000 motor vehicle dealer bond from the Oregon Department of Transportation. But here's what most people get wrong. The bond must be signed by both the bonding company and the dealer with original wet signatures. It must match your business name and address exactly as listed on your DMV application. One typo, and you're rejected. You don't pay the full $50,000. Just a percentage based on your credit score. Above 650 credit, you'll pay 0.75 to 2% annually. Between 600 and 649, expect 2.5 to 4%. You also need dealer liability insurance that meets ORS 822.033 requirements and an 8-hour dealer education certificate. Submit everything to DMV Business Licensing Unit at 1905 Lana Avenue Northeast, Salem, Oregon 97314. Get it right the first time or face costly delays that could kill your business launch. Also, don't forget to get your bond and garage liability insurance with the experts at All American Bonds and Insurance at quickerbonds.com. The links to the resources are listed in the video description, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more auto dealer tips.